Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Today, let's talk about a major shift that's changing the world of AI and analytics, democratizing data science. Once upon a time, data science was limited to those who knew coding, math, and statistics. But not anymore. Today, anyone, yes, anyone, can become a data-driven decision maker. Data is the new oil, but for years, only a few knew how to refine it. Democratization means making data and its insights accessible to everyone, not just data scientists. It's about putting powerful tools in the hands of business users, students, educators, and entrepreneurs, so they can analyze, visualize, and act on data without deep technical expertise. Earlier, doing data science meant mastering programming languages like Python or R, setting up environments, and spending hours cleaning and visualizing data. Now, with no-code and low-code platforms, what once took days can be done in minutes, using drag-and-drop workflows, automated model builders, and smart visual tools. Democratizing data science is not just about tools, it's a mindset shift. It's about empowering every individual in an organization to work with data safely, effectively, and confidently. It bridges the gap between data experts and domain experts, combining analytical power with real-world context. To truly democratize data science, we need three key elements. Accessible tools. Platforms like Power BI, Tableau, Google Looker Studio, and DataRobot allow anyone to visualize data effortlessly. Automated machine learning, AutoML tools like Azure ML Studio, Google Vertex AI, and H2O.ai help users build predictive models without writing code. Collaborative ecosystems. Cloud-based environments like Snowflake, Databricks, and BigQuery make data accessible across teams in real time. These platforms are changing the game. No-code and low-code tools are the bridge between ideas and implementation. They allow domain experts, say a healthcare analyst or a finance manager, to build ML models, design dashboards, or even deploy applications without a single line of code. The best part? AI has made its way into the tools we already use. Microsoft Excel now has Copilot. ChatGPT can analyze datasets. Even Notion and Canva come with built-in AI assistants. These integrations mean data science is no longer a department. It's a daily habit. For true democratization, education is key. Platforms like Coursera, Upgrad, and Kaggle are providing hands-on data projects for learners at all levels. This movement ensures that tomorrow's workforce is not afraid of data, they're empowered by it. In India, small retailers use Power BI to track daily sales. In healthcare, no-code dashboards are helping predict patient needs. Even NGOs now measure social impact using simple visual tools. This is what democratization looks like when data becomes everyone's language. Of course, there are challenges. When more people handle data, data governance and ethical responsibility become crucial. We must ensure that data democratization does not lead to misinformation, privacy breaches, or misuse. Education, policies, and transparency must evolve together. The future is where every professional becomes data literate, where insights flow seamlessly from systems to humans to decisions, and where organizations don't depend on a few data experts, because everyone is empowered to contribute. So, to all aspiring data scientists, entrepreneurs, and professionals, this is your time. You no longer need a PhD to analyze data or build models. With the right tools and curiosity, you can turn data into impact. Data science is no longer exclusive, it's inclusive. This is Durga Prasad from ZenthicAI, where we believe in making AI and data science accessible to all. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI, data science, and the future of work. Together, let's democratize innovation.